What's up guys, my name is Karina, welcome back to my channel. I saw this video, I will link it down below when I find it again. I don't know how to pronounce the person's name, but I thought it was a really cool idea. It was basically trying to make, I think they were making a prom dress in a day. And I thought that was a really interesting concept. I thought that I would try and challenge myself to making a dress in a day because my attention span doesn't usually allow that. It takes me about 2 days to do a dress. Usually I have to switch things up. I can't just go straight from start to finish on a dress, but I thought that I would challenge myself and see if I could do it, and I did it. I started this dress about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1:30, and I want to say I finished around 11. So I definitely did not just work from 1 o'clock to 11 o'clock. I really tried to simplify the design and then have other aspects of it that would stand out and make the dress look more impressive while keeping the silhouette and the technical skills really simple with it, so that I could finish it in a day. And if you guys wanted to try this, you could finish it in a day. And I think I really accomplished it. I think the dress looks amazing. Like, I'm genuinely really proud of how this came out. I think it looks so good. I think it's super flattering and it was really simple. I actually picked up this fabric at Joann's, but it's a really stretchy silvery material and I thought that it was gorgeous. When I was looking for fabric for this, my two requirements were that it was stretchy so that I didn't have to worry about any other materials or having to get in and out of it, and that the either print or texture would stand out. That way it could have a simple design, but the dress would still stand out because of the details in the fabric. So if you guys want to see how I made this dress in a day, then go ahead and just keep watching.
So the first thing that I did for this was mark out my design lines on my dress form. Using the silvery fabric, I just went ahead and draped it straight onto the dress form, marking out with the pencil where I wanted the darts and where the seam lines were. After that, I went ahead and trued up the markings onto the fabric, folded it in half, and cut out both sides. Then I went ahead and repeated the same process for the back of the dress. After that, I cut out the lining for the dress using some nude fabric that I had lying around. For both the lining and the outer fabric, I sewed all the darts closed. And for the back of both, I sewed the center seam. Once that was finished, I sewed the side seams for the lining and then the side seams for the outer fabric. To attach them together, I put the fashion fabric inside of the lining fabric, making sure that the right sides were facing each other, and then I sewed around the top. After that, I finished the hem of the lining as well as the hem of the dress, including the slit. The last thing I did was hand sew crystal straps onto the dress, and that was it. So here is the finished dress.
Alright guys, that's all that I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like it down below. Also, if you guys want, you can watch more of my videos by clicking right here to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so go ahead and click right there to see more of those. When you guys are done subscribing to my channel, you can click right here to watch the last video that I made, and I will see you guys on Monday for a new one. Bye!